Market analysts expect Singapore's economy to continue growing because of its connections to global trade. Advanced estimates show that GDP grew 2.9% on year in the second quarter, beating analysts' expectations. The boost comes from the manufacturing sector with its positive performance in Q2. Nadirah Zaidi has more.
A pickup in output demand helped push the manufacturing sector's growth to 0.5% on year in the second quarter, a reversal from the 1.7% contraction from the previous quarter. In the near term, analysts expect the sector to give Singapore's economy a further push.
I am fairly confident that in the third quarter and fourth quarter, it will be more positive and bigger number. Okay? But beyond this year, it's very difficult to say because we have the threat of wars and recessions. So it's very difficult to actually look too far ahead.
External factors like the US elections at the end of the year could bring potential risks to Singapore's economy. Analysts say it could mean revisiting the US-led trade tariffs against China.
That could mean, a few things. One is potentially a slowdown of risk-on appetite, a risk-taking appetite into China, and that would spill over into ASEAN. Then the saying that goes that, if China sneezes, Asia gets a cold, and that essentially could mean that trade activities, investment activities, confidence may actually take a dip.
Advanced estimates from the Trade and Industry Ministry also showed the real estate and food services sectors contracting in Q2. This could mean cautious consumer spending and competition for tourism dollars.
A lot of people seem to think that prices cannot go up forever. So we have a combination of people are not buying, people are not selling also. And then, of course, the rents have come down. And, of course, the estate agents are not making tons of money. They're not going to go to the expensive restaurants or buy another expensive car.
There has been some competition, from other Asia economies, especially Japan. And then simply because of the weak yen, we have seen that tourism arrivals into Japan has been still remained to be very strong year to date. And that could actually be one of the key factors that is actually pulling away some of the tourism interests from ASEAN into Asia, specifically Japan.
He adds Singapore needs to remain as a global business hub and capture opportunities from different markets to ensure investment flows.